How to use share function on TDSEE. This video will teach you how to use this function. Before sharing, please confirm if you have added your friends on TDSEE. If you want to share your device with friends, please tap the ellipsis button in the upper right corner of the device. Then tap Share. Tap Add Sharing. Choose a friend. Choose the management permissions you want to share. And tap Share. At this time, you have successfully sent an invitation. If someone shares a device with you, please enter the message page. Tap System Message. Tap Accept. Now you can operate the device shared by your friends. If you want to delete the sharing relationship, please enter the Me page. Tap Share Device. Choose the device which you want to delete. Then choose a friend. Tap Delete. At this time, you have successfully deleted the sharing relationship. For more product details and service support, please visit Tenda official website. Thank you for your support.